What the Dang. Almost sound like a blue screen of death. Jesus. But I cannot argue with that. I cannot argue with that. And oh no. I don't want you to see my password. No. Cut. Alright guys, so I got the 2 laptops turned on, except for my another laptop, the one who looked like this, still not working. So I decided to put it back the old storage where it belongs. The another old stuff, the old consoles. So yeah, forget that. I don't use that anymore. But see you guys in the next videos. And I plan to make my new movie's name is Sonic and Friends vs. Wing of Death 3, The Seek Revenge. So this is gonna be the longest battle. As you can see that we'll be working on it on the new movies. Yeah. So we're still working on it. So see ya guys later. So I go fast.